Well, he'll be back in a minute. Why don't you come over here and sit down and tell us about it?
Who are you going to send it to?
Huh?
Who are you going to send it to?
Grandma?
What grandma?
All of them?
Both grandmas?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay, ask me a few questions.
Well, what'd you think?
I liked it.
Are you scared of it anymore?
No.
You were going pretty fast, huh? Were you trying to tip it over?
No.
Looked like you were trying to tip it over.
I was just trying to go fast.
Oh. What was your favorite part?
None of it, all of it was.
You gonna come do it again? You ever gonna be afraid of it again? You were doing awesome. I'm proud of you. Got really comfortable on it, didn't you? You were doing left turns and right turns. It was kind of weird to go into those right turns after doing all those left turns, wasn't it?
We got used to it.
Yeah? Well, tell me about it. Tell me a story about it. Tell me how you felt while you were out there.
It was pretty fun, and I really liked it out there.
That's all you got for me?
I didn't really feel like I had the training wheels going a lot more.
Didn't feel like you were balancing on it by yourself?
Felt like it.
Okay, well maybe a few more rounds with the training wheels and we'll take them off. Whenever you're ready.
Without balance.
Whenever you're ready.
It seems like I was balancing like this without the training wheels. Because I was going so fast, like this, with that, with these. This motorcycle burned rubber actually. It burned.
Did it?
I was going, out of that concrete.
So am I going to have to argue with you to go riding anymore?
Not in here. Might in other places to try new.
Why?
Because I like this place a lot.
Well, get your helmet back on and go.
Okay. I'll go. Come on, Mom. Start it, please, Dad.
Get your helmet on first.
I want to talk to Dad for a few minutes. Before we do